What is up, everyone? It's another Saturday and it's another gala day. We've been busy the moment we woke up kasi we changed the tire dahil flat. And we are going to the tire repair shop now to have that fixed. And yeah, we've been going here and there. We brought Lexi's sister to the groomer like a while ago because we need to be there early para makuha rin namin siya early kasi we are going on a cookout later. And now papunta kami sa gagawa ng gulong kasi the tire that we're using now is the spare tire. Tawag nila is donut tire. But yeah, let's go! And we are stuck in traffic. Mga like 10-20 minutes na, and the traffic is too long. Maybe there's an accident doon sa may duluhan. And look, see the traffic. It's not moving at all. Basa na kami ng pawis kasi this old car, ang AC niya is not working, heater lang. So yeah, sana mawatapos na ang traffic, basa na ako. So that's the reason why there's traffic. There's a collision between a Tesla and another car. No, we're running fast. Ayan, so we're here na sa paggawaan ng gulong. Para patsehan lang yung yung loob kasi may parating naman kaming mga bagong gulong. So for now, muna, flat tire. That is how they vulcanize here, like with similar to a foil. Ayan, tapos napalitan yung gulong. No, hindi pala palitan, vulcanized lang. And it cost us $25. And ang dumi ng kamay ko kasi ako yung nagbalik ng donut tire sa likod. Donut tire is the spare tire na manipis lang siya and like this thick para lang makarating ka sa pupuntahan to change. So ayun, we're going back home and tapos na yung pag vulcanize. Actually, they don't vulcanize here. They would always suggest na magbili ka ng bagong gulong, which is too expensive kasi if you change the gulong, kailangan palitan mo lahat, either yung dalawang magka-partner or silang apat. Pero may parating naman kaming gulong, kaya tapal na lang. Sinabi na lang namin na they need to patch kasi may parating na gulong, kaya tinanggap. Pero normally ayaw nila, gusto nila ay tire change, but we insisted. Ayun, so dapat you know how to insist para hindi ka nila mabudol for another new tire. So we only spend like $25. And tawa kami ng tawa ni Derek kasi yung gumagawa ay bumubulong na ang boss daw niya is crazy. Ayan. We're going straight sa Dunkirk para i-pick up yung kapatid ni Lexi sa Prince Frederick daw, para i-pick up yung kapatid ni Lexi kasi tapos na daw i-groom. And yeah, magmumukha na siyang maayos. Kami na lang ang dugyot kami kasi ang hindi pa naliligo. Maliligo na kami later after picking up Lacey, and then we'll go straight to Bowie for the cookout. Ayan, andito na kami sa grooming and ako'y nakatulog.
Wait till I tell them.
Right?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You feel better, don't you, Papa?
I do, but I didn't like it.
See, we got her and she looks like a new dog. Lacey. Lacey. She looks like a new dog kasi pinapabayaan siya ng amo niya. Buti, inhabilin sa amin kasi meron siyang pinuntahang travel. So, sa amin siya for 4 days. Pinagupitan ni Daddy D. Lacey? Lazy girl? We're home. We're home na. There she is. Oh, maganda na. Hindi kagaya kahapon. Pangit. Kanina pala. Hindi kagaya kanina pangit. Why do you have my cake?
Because you left it in the car.
There's my wisdom boy. And my gnome. And my angel. And my turtle. And the ugly dog. Now it's beautiful and pretty. Ayan, it's 3 o'clock and we're ready para sa pangalan nito, cookout. Fresh na din, nakaligo na. Yeah. They're just giving the dog a time na magpipi sa labas and then we will go out. And we're here now. Sa aking liig ko. Nakatulog ako sa bayahe. That's the house. Kanilang bahay ang may magandang garden. Sufok na wala naman. We're home na and it's past 10 p.m. 10 a.m. It's past 10 p.m. and we are home. And Derek is now walking the dogs kasi they've been like in the house for almost like 5-6 hours and they already poo-poo there and pee-pee, so they need to go out. And yeah, I wasn't able to take video of the place, like more video of the place with the persons and the food, because you know it's a privacy thing, but I managed to take the video of their garden, which I love so much. And I am planning to have the same garden in the Philippines because here we don't have space. And this is where I will end this video. I hope na nagustuhan nyo ang video ito. And click that like button. And if you're new to my channel, consider subscribing and clicking that notification bell para updated ka sa lahat ng videos na gagawin ko. And don't forget to share and do a screenshot and send it to any of my social media. The screenshot on the description box below, especially like on my Facebook page, because at the end of the month, like we always do, we are going to give like some load or any small Gcash amount to all those people who share. I will choose like 3 to 5 person and then send a screenshot on my Facebook page. See you. Bye.